a very quick and early update today as I need to go somewhere. So I just want to give you guys a very quick update here, starting with nat gas, gold and crude oil. So what do we have? Did have a bounce from the minor level of support mentioned in my last video. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots and see what to expect after that. As you can see, the price came in my zone, right here, a minor zone. The reason I'm paying attention to this zone, if you zoom back and see, this level has acted as a level of support recently, resistance. Now, looking at the strong downtrend, I'm not expecting a very big bounce out of this area in green. Now, what I'm expecting here, I'm only expecting a pullback to the previous level that has been broken recently, a pullback, and then price can likely fall and continue to push down in a trend. So the way you can calculate the pullback, if you follow me here on YouTube, you know the way I calculate, but if you are new, if you are someone who just joined, the way I calculate my pullback from the swing low of this candle right here till my last zone, something like this. As you can see, the 50% retracement is aligning perfectly with my zone. This is how you can calculate. If you are an aggressive trader, then this 50% retracement can be your sell limit order. Nice one. So as you can see, the price did reacted from this minor zone. Like I said, if I see a reason to enter in this zone, I will only take a chunk of profit, only just a pullback. That pullback can be enough to hit your targets before the price will likely to fall again. Now at this point, as you can see, the ATR of this candle, right, its bullish candle is 6 and the targets will be 6 to 7 as well. Now if you are my priority member, we have an aggressive entry here, and if you're learning my full MMTA full course, then you know we have all the rules met for this entry. Now as you can see, this is a minor zone and price did reacted from this zone previously as mentioned in my last video right here as a support and resistance. But looking at the fact the price is now in a very strong downtrend, I won't be expecting any sort of reversal. Again, I'll be taking my sell trades if the price hit this zone above right here, the pink zone, or if the price push up, hit 20 EMA or 50 EMA and form a bearish engulfer. That is one of the pullback entry members learn. So at this point, just expect some bounce here and then we might get another bearish candle and price can likely to fall and continue to push down in a trend. So again, at this point, expecting few green candles, bearish candle, I will take a little sell trade, exit my trade if price reaches this first bottom. Once it reaches this first bottom, I get another buy signal here. I will take another buy and then my next sell will be the break of this previous low. Again, I want to go through this very slow again. At this point, the price is pushing up. We can expect some bounce from here and then we might get a bearish candle here. If I get a bearish candle here, I will enter my sell trade according to the ATR. ATR is a number right here. Once I get my sell signal, I will take my sell trade. Once my target is hit, I will exit. I will manage my trade till this previous low. And if I get a buy signal again here, then I will enter another buy, take my long, and then I will see if the price will fall and wants to continue with the trend after the break of this previous low. So that is what I'm looking at personally, and that is what you need to look at as well. So buy first, then sell, and then see how the price reacts. Always take your profits and always set your stop loss and take profit. Here on Ovanda, the price is retesting the zone. We do not have any sort of reason to enter here. Expecting some bounce here. I'm looking for a sell condition here on this platform. Once I have a sell condition, I will take my sell trades. MCX right here. As mentioned in my yesterday's video, I said that we are expecting a bounce from here, and as you can see, the price is bouncing up from this zone and we're expecting a further bounce till 20 EMA and possibly the zone above I've mentioned in my last video, from where we can expect another bearish candle and price can likely to continue to push down in a trend. Let's check gold. So gold is now in the process of a pullback at this point. Gold is bearish and about to hit my trend continuation zone mentioned in my last video. Members should have received this zone as well. So, and the zone is 1852 goes up to 1868, a zone from where I'm expecting another fall, and I will only buy once the price hit this zone right here, which is 1782 goes up to 1806, a zone from where we can expect a good bounce. So at this point, gold is bearish until the price hit this next major level of support. So look for sell opportunities only. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is bearish. I'm not expecting any sort of bullish move, only taking bearish trade until the price is below 50 and 20 EMA. At this point, I'm expecting another push down. After the hit of 50 EMA, I'm expecting a good bearish candle. So I'll be looking for bearish opportunities until and unless price is trading below this EMS. If we have a dramatic move push up above 50 EMA, only then I will look for buy trade. So look for sell condition. I'm expecting a push down right after the hit of 50 EMA. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.